Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name's Lizzie and I live on a narrowboat called Benjamin. Today I thought I'd do just a simple little day in my life, I suppose afternoon in my life. I wanted to clean the boat a bit, it's a bit of a mess, show you some of my Christmas decorations. I've got a few new additions to the boat which I thought could be quite nice, and I'll try and do an updated tour. I'd quite like to do it during the daylight so you can see the actual colours rather than having these lovely yellow lights make it look very, some people put it nicely golden, but I find it just looks a bit dark and not very nice. So that's the plan. First of all, I need to I'm trying to hide all the mess, but I'm going to give it all a clean, so I might do a little montage of me cleaning the boat. Time for that dreaded moment of where you have to change your bed sheets. Oh, normally not too bad at doing sheets, but it seems like last time I did them it was impossible. So we shall see. So we shall see. Much better. A bit of clearing up to do. And then the excitement. I'm going to be changing the mirror because I don't like it. Let's unpack this new beauty. It was a really good price. Hang on, I'll speak after I've opened it because otherwise you won't hear what I'm saying. And there you go. I'm gonna just lift it up and so you can see what you look like. There you are. And there's me looking at you, looking at me. But yeah, it has some nice detailing on the top here and just details all around. And I think it's going to look a lot more my kind of style. Because I had, when I did a vintage fair back in August, my goodness, that was a long time ago, there was a really nice mirror there that I should have bought, but I didn't, which was very silly of me. I've regretted it ever since. And then I saw this one and I was like, oh, that looks very similar to the one I'd liked. So I had to get it. Anyway, let's see if I can stick a screwdriver into my thumb today. Hopefully it shouldn't be too bad this time because there are already the holes in the wall for it all. Now the only thing that's going to be a little bit of a shame is, as you can see where this mirror was, the wood's slightly faded. Oh, I thought that was another hole. Slightly faded obviously to the square of the mirror, but oh well, it'll have to do. I think that one goes there. Almost be quite nice to have it sideways, but because it's got that, so I think that way's nice. Yeah, I think what I can do for this one, because it's got a little thingy here, is I can just put the screw back in and then keep it sticking out a little bit. I'm almost tempted not to screw into that and see if just one screw will hold it. How cute. Oh yes. Let me move backwards so that I can see and you can see. Oh yeah, that's cute. Looks a bit more feminine in here now. Obviously, maybe what I can do is I can just stain the wood. Next up, I need to have some lunch, and I'd quite like to show you a few of my Christmas decorations. And I'd like to do a tour in daylight, because last time I did a tour of the boat it was all dark, and I think it makes quite a big difference to see what it looks like with nice sunshine. So stay tuned for that, and I'll see you in a bit. Here is the very cute, very small little Christmas tree. I haven't decorated it very well, I'm sorry. One of them was meant to go up there, but it just didn't stay, so. But it's cute, and it makes me feel Christmassy, so that's the most important. And then of course you have to have your advent calendar. Yeah, there's not much more to say about an advent calendar. And then let me show you my little window decorations. I have a little reindeer in this window. I have a little Christmas cat in this window because, you know, cats are obviously Christmassy. And then the next one is a little Christmas sheepy because sheep are Christmassy as well. And of course, the last but not least, a Christmas mushroom, because mushrooms are Christmassy as well, don't you know? As you can see, they're very beautifully put up. I've literally just put a bit of blue tack, or white tack as this case, maybe. But I just think they look cute in the windows. And then I have my little Christmas wreath, which my mum made full, and then one of these things fell out, which is great, but you know, that's alright. And I do have some little fairy lights, but I kind of have them on all the time. I won't take them down once Christmas is over. But yes, you saw me do these little things. They're not Christmassy, but I just think they're quite sweet. And new little addition. Got my little candle going to make it smell nice. And got some new plants too. I've got this one, which, yes, looking super healthy, but I haven't done anything to it. I've watered it, I've put it out in the sun. I don't know what I'm doing wrong. These I've had for a while, my little planties. And then this is a new one. Snake plant, I think is what it's called. Just thought it was very sweet. I've finally got rid of those two other ones, succulents, that were just dead. They were just dead. So I just cleaned out the nice cups and saucers and I'm gonna use them as actual cups and saucers. Those are my little additions, and the mirror, obviously. Oh, and that. That's just a little, blackboard. But I think I might do a little tour now.